In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a project in HoneyBook. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access your projects and keep everything organized in one place. Notes are especially useful for tracking important details, reminders, internal updates, or anything else you want connected directly to a specific project. After logging in, open the project where you want to add your note. Make sure you're selecting the correct project so the information is saved in the right place. This is helpful if you're managing multiple clients or active jobs at the same time, since keeping notes attached to the correct project makes future reference much easier. Once you're inside the project, look for the Notes tab and click on it. This is the section designed for storing written updates and project-related information. If you use HoneyBook regularly, this area can become a very useful reference point whenever you need to look back at key details. Next, click Add Note, or simply click into the Note Editor area if it's already visible on the page. This will open the space where you can type your note. If your screen looks slightly different, just look for the area intended for entering text within the Notes section. Now go ahead and enter your note. You can type as much or as little as you need depending on what information you want to keep on file. It's a good idea to keep your notes clear and specific so they're easy to understand later. For example, short, organized notes are often easier to review than long paragraphs if you're coming back to them during a busy workday. If needed, format the note to make it more readable. Depending on the available formatting options, this might help you organize information more clearly. Simple formatting can make a big difference, especially when you're saving reminders, important updates, or multiple pieces of information in one note. When everything looks good, click Save. This is the step that stores the note in the project, so be sure not to skip it. Once saved, your note should remain attached to that project for future reference. After saving, take a moment to review the note and confirm it was added successfully. This final check helps you make sure the content appears correctly and that it's saved in the right project. It's a quick habit that can help prevent confusion later on. And that's it. You've successfully added a note to a project in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.